Look, come get him, Munchkin. You can do it. Come up here. Almost, Munchkin, almost. Put the other arm up now. Put the other arm up. Look, this one's by the other arm. Oh, you're smart, huh? Hey. Smile for the camera? Yeah. Come up here, get the bag, buddy bear. Look. Yeah, there you go, little baby Hulk. You're a baby Hulk. Move that back so you can get on your knees. Go ahead, you can do it, buddy. Come on, Munchie Man. Yeah, look at you. What a strong baby. Get up on your feet now, look. Let's get the bag out of here. Look, Christian, look. It's higher. You gotta get on your feet. Get on your feet. You're doing great, Christian. You're doing great. What a strong baby. Whoa, Christian, you did it! Yay, Christian! Yay! You're so strong. Now let's look at him. Look. Got up all by himself. Wow. Christian, you deserve kisses. Here's a kiss from Mommy. Here's a big kiss. You like it?